Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create tabs in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the design that we will create in this tutorial, and the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Hostinger account. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and now let's create a new section where we will add our tabs. Click on Add Section, select Add Blank Section, and now click on Add Element from this menu and scroll down to the bottom and select or drag and drop this embed code, just like that. Click on this Edit Code button, remove this default code and copy the HTML code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to mention or to attach this piece of code, just let me know in the comments below. Now paste this code here and hit embed code. This is our tabs. Let's make them wider, just like that, and place them at the top. Let's make this section a little bit shorter, and this is our tabs. Let's preview that live. Click on View Site, and this is the tabs that you will get. Now let's see how to edit the design and also the content of these tabs. The first thing that we can edit is the background color. Let's test it with black. This is how to edit this gray / bluish background color. You can edit it from the background color below body. Now let's return to the original color. You can also add margin and padding to this background. Now let's move to the tabs container. Let's edit the color to pinpoint where we are looking. This is the tabs container. You can edit its background color. The original is white. You can turn it to any color you want. If you don't know how to get these color codes, just go to this website called HTML color codes. You can use this square to pinpoint your code and also this slider. And now let's say we want to go with this yellow color. After that, pick this color code and paste it where you want. Click on Run. As you can see, now it turns to yellow. I will return to the original color. Now let's move to the tabs. You can edit the margin or the margin bottom. Let's say 40 pixels instead of just 20. This is the margin we are talking about. I will go back to the original, which is 20 pixels. Now let's move to the tabs buttons. Let's edit the color to black to pinpoint what we are talking about. These are the tabs buttons. You can edit the background of these buttons and also the font size. Let's go with 10. You can make these tabs titles smaller, text smaller. You can also edit the hover state of these buttons, which means when the mouse cursor is on top of these tabs buttons, you can edit the background color. Let's give it the black color. This is what I am talking about. This is the background color I'm talking about. Now the button active state, I'm not sure what is this active, so I will give it the black color. Active means the tab you are on, it has its own color. To edit it, just edit what is below the tab button active. Now let's move to the tab content. You can edit the tab content background color like that. You can also make the padding larger or smaller. As you can see, the padding is this little space on top and above and also on the sides. Let's return to the original. This is what is responsible for, I think, the animation and also the responsiveness of these tabs. Now let's move to how to edit the content of these tabs. This is the first tab title or name. You can edit it from here. This is tab 1. Let's call it Ben to see the difference. As you can see this, yes, same thing for the tab 2 and tab 3. Now you can edit the tabs content. To edit this bold text, this is it between the H3. It's an H3 title. This is it. Now this is what is responsive, and also the sentence or the content of these tabs. This tabs content. As you can see, this is how to edit the tabs, each tab content, and you can do that for each content, for each tab. This is the content of the first tab, or exactly this one. This is the content of the tab number 2 and 3. To add a tab, it's simple. Just copy starting from this opening div to this closing div with this I think, yes, slash. Let's do it now. Copy this tab, call it tab 4. Don't forget to also duplicate or add a new tab, what is called the button. Copy starting from this button or this opening button to this closing button with this slash, and call it, for example, tab 4 too. And this is how to add a new tab. As you can see, the content was kept the same. This is why you see tab 3 in the tab 4. To edit that, just go here to the content of the tab number 4 and hit run. As you can see, my bad, here I need to. And now, as you can see, I'm not sure. Tab 4. I'm not sure why the content of the tab number 4 does not update. Tab 3. Let's go. Tab 3. Oh, okay. I think here I need, yes. Don't forget to also update the on-click tab number. Here it was tab 3. So even though this tab is called number 4, it was still showing the content of the tab number 3. So here you need to update tab 3 to 4 to start seeing the correct content. Now if I call this tab number 4, I'm sure it will be updated. And this is how to update or to play with these tabs. Let's copy the updated code here. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And click on enter code, delete the original one, and hit embed. Let's view this updated code live. And this is the content of each tab. As you can see, tab number 4. And that was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.